just scary. It's like driving a plane. I mean, you're on the controls all the time trying to stabilize the coach.
The voice of the customer.
I'm here with Tim McDaniels today, and Tim came a long ways to see us. Where did you say you came from?
From Sedona, Arizona.
And what kind of a rig do we have here that you're driving?
So this coach is a 2024 Integra Accolade, and it's, I don't know what the model's, 37M, I think.
And what do you have done to it?
So we were excited to get up here to straighten out some of the looseness in the way it drives. And so we pretty much had everything that this company does: shocks, motion control units, front and rear sway bars, trailing arms, steering stabilizers, the whole kit.
So Tell me, Tim, what's that like now? I mean, you had the full meal deal. This is usually people have got some of the stuff on when they get here, but
Sure.
You got the full meal deal.
We did, and I've been looking forward to getting this done. We've been down to Texas for a month and out to New Orleans for a month, back to Texas. We were going to head to the East Coast. All the storms kind of sent us in a different direction. So we opted to go ahead and get a reservation up here and come on up and get all of this work done at once. And we were so thrilled that we did. The ride that we've been on the road from Texas and through Arizona and back up here, over 4,000 miles, is just scary. It's like driving a plane. I mean, you're on the controls all the time trying to stabilize the coach, and you feel uncomfortable when it's wanting to float and drift and lean over. So those were all things we were looking to correct with the equipment that was installed here today. So I've had a chance now, since it's all been put on, to get out and take a drive in the coach with one of their people, and he isn't kind to how he drives. He puts it through its motions, and honestly, it was night and day from what we had before.
That's great. Well, you know, one of our jobs is to make the invisible visible.
Yep.
And while we hope you never have to make a life or death correction, like in the event of an emergency, we want you to know what that coach is capable of before you absolutely have to.
Absolutely.
So that's our goal. And so we know that you're going to be a lot more confident out there. And if that emergency situation comes up, you'll have confidence in what your coach is able to do.
Oh, I have no doubt about it. The other thing I want to mention is that, honest to God, this is the best crew of people that we have ever worked with. Not only when they were working under the coach doing things that they were installing, they were looking for other issues, and we corrected 3 or 4 cabling issues that were rubbing up against things, and it was awesome to know that they always had our back. The steering alignment we had a little trouble with because it was a difficult one to do, but the technician here stayed on it and kept after it until he got it right, which is what I wanted. And I have lots of confidence in all of the work that they've done. I'm looking forward to getting out on the road again and enjoying it.
Thank you for watching this video. And if you like it, subscribe and hit that bell and let other folks know about Henderson's lineup SuperSteer, where we give you safer and happier driving.